Welcome to another DK Custom Products video. My name is Kevin, and this is part of our series on little things that make a difference. Today we're going to be talking about LED drop-in bulbs. Modern Harleys, the most recent year Harleys, most all of them come with LED lights in them. But back just a few years ago, most of them would come with the halogen lights. We'll put up a photo right here of the difference between an LED bulb and the halogen bulbs that come in the Harley lights. This one has a drop-in bulb in it right here. This is an LED, and it just replaces, you just remove the ring, it replaces the bulb that comes factory, and then the driving lights, passing lights on here also have drop-in LED bulbs. They make a huge difference. You can look at the picture that we put up here, side by side, yellow versus a white light. Makes you much more visible during the day and lights up the road much better at night. It's a little thing and it makes a huge, huge difference. They're easy to install and they're inexpensive. This is one of those little things that you really need to do, whether it's the drop-in bulbs you can get on our website or somewhere else. This will make a difference in being seen and being able to see when you're going down the road. Doesn't cost much, easy to install. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. It helps us out and it's free, doesn't cost you anything. So hit the notification bell so you know when we come out with the next video, and share the video with your friends. Probably help them out. You all ride safe out there.